Ready? Here. He always says he has ribs of steel, so we're going to test it out. See if it's true. If he has ribs of steel. We're going to first test it out with book. And then, with other stuff in his closet.
I'll show you. The shoe, the hanger, the book, and the belt.
They hurt badly. Now, come on.
Alright,
Are you ready?
She's gonna hit me right here.
Simulation 1 is going to start. Ready?
Yep. Breathe.
I love hitting people. It takes anger out.
Oh, I can't breathe.
Ow. Second simulation. After he gets up. Second simulation. A belt. Ready? Make sure you don't hit your person in the face.
Oh.
Third simulation. He has kids in steel too. Third simulation. Shoo. Hold your. Okay, ready? Okay. Even though your ribs could be steel, you still lose your breath. And a chin. No. What? Yeah, there is. Okay, ready? Hangers. Good for clothes. Good for hitting people too. And breaking. They're good for breaking. Don't forget that.
God, that hurt.
Okay, our last simulation. 2 yearbooks. And good thing it's the last one, because we can turn off the camera if he gets hurt.
Hey, butthole, let's go!
Just joking. Wait.